they can move. You see all of them, and their expressions are different, and every single has been a great piece of art. You know, they look so cute. So if you just go to their Twitter, they are also a very old project. They maintain at a high mint price, but yeah, they are in profit. In the past 24 hours, you see it has pumped 6.61%. 24-hour sale is 110. 24-hour volume is 5.4k. This is also 10k supply, a slightly bit more than a 10k, 10.2k. Listed is 591. There are 3.24k owners. This is their Twitter. Yeah, 55.2k followers. Later imagination. So class section is live. Destination awareness links in bio. Destination is my whole personality. Alright. Solar NFT over here. Love these little guys. They are pretty. Yeah, yeah. You cannot ignore their cuteness, buddy. The toll bridge. Alright. Oh, this is a Badlands. Alright. This is a night art. Nice art. What are they about? They were also PHP project, if I'm not wrong. This is their website. When they play a wild-haired embark on epic adventures. The team is pretty experienced, as far I remembered. They worked on really big companies. Follow the Cleanos, produce Instagram. Oh, they have Instagram also. They have TikTok, Discord, and yeah, the website looks pretty sick. It is. Design is so great. Oh, so this is great. They have 13k followers in Instagram. Normally, NFT project doesn't have this much follower in Instagram. You see, they have like 1.5 million, 2.3 million views on this video, so they are pretty famous. Cute, colorful, mostly clay dinosaurs looking for adventure. What could go wrong? They also have a YouTube channel also. That's great. They are active on everywhere, which has a 27k subscriber, which is pretty nice. They have probably made shorts. Yeah, they do. This is actually great. So in the website you can also see the trailer, this characters, collectibles. You see the characters right here. Heroes aren't made, they are molded. Do you have what it takes to stand out behind this? Ask me. So these are the characters, which is great. Guys, you can just check them out. Yasmi, they have different names. Odo, Ancient. So legendary beings who haven't been seen in eons, unmatched in their power. Very little is known about them, with some saying they went into hiding and some saying they never existed. There's Tyson, there's Tiffany, Tristan, Trevor, Travis, Tom. Alright. So they are their partners, Metaplex, Solana Foundations, Tensor, Core Whips. You can also check the values and team. Community first always. So these all projects basically totally depend on the community and the holders and how people treating them. How the pump and dumps depends on them actually, as they are just creating the hype, the marketing at the top notch. We are also hiring few our job offers. All right, there's an executive that remote and make behind closed doors. So these people has doxed themselves. You see, Andrew places CEO, and he's their PP man. I just love their website. Nicholas, there's a Dan, there's a Sasha, CEO, design and production. There's William Leo. You see these people, and